Hello. Um, I just wanted to do a follow-up video to my initial video, um, and just say a little bit more about that, because people might get the wrong end of the stick. So, I'm not discrediting ayahuasca or plant traditions from other countries. They're all very valid. But this path is essentially about connecting to your own land and becoming a part of your own local ecosystem and learning about the your ability for non-verbal communication with nature, which you are a part of. And there's something very profound about that and very powerful about connecting to what is on your doorstep and becoming a part of that and forming a deep relationship with that. And that's what I feel is really needed, and that we've been missing for probably the last couple of 100 years to a certain extent in the Western world, with the industrialization of the Western world. And so this path is about reconnection, and it's about connection and communication, and the body's ability for that, for listening to nature and to plants.